Hi everyone, it's Helen Hortai here, founder of Form Help, and we are on the travelerdeclaration.govt.nz website. And as you can see here, it says from midnight on Wednesday, the 19th of October 2022, travellers flying to New Zealand by air no longer need to complete a New Zealand traveller declaration. Okay, so that's great news. And again, I'll just enlarge this section here so you can see it clearer. Okay, so travellers are no longer required to complete a New Zealand traveller declaration to enter New Zealand, and New Zealand's COVID-19 entry requirements were removed on the 20th of October 2022. So that's great news for those travelling to New Zealand, that you do not need to fill in a New Zealand traveller declaration. Okay, it's Helen Hortai, founder of Form Help, signing out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Take care, everyone. Bye.